Buyamono sana mwanchu mulia bigita sene kia Ndizi TV nebiro binde na ndengo kwaligania ase mesa ya mangana maya eli ndengo manyie na ria bereka gukorekana kurwa chingongo chionsi inye chinse inyora asinsemo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwitra Ndizi TV News Digital na bagigo asensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyara gwitra Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyara gwitra www.ndizitv.or.ke Chinga kitoroche omowaziri wensemo ya ICT Elidowalo abereka gosiere bene internet ya bosa asinsemo chirichia ahero lindakweneki obokoleri obuya ase sekteyo nabo igo chinga kitoroche abamuraba bere banyara ko bagosiria obugima bwabo ase county ya Baringo nabo igo yomo gotigerwa chingoma chintindi magega yegento bari kokosereria kyabakegwateka nabo igo abantu bali bamenyete no bolema asensemo ya likuyani nigo banyarire bakonyora obokonyi bw'ekinyange ndakone kibuna ngotara bale mwanchumuliye nabo igo litkolya lero gusema mbya lero nigo umubasukano bw'epara obagokwenekigwa ase umucyobosongo ase basi ya modern coast yabakegosiria oboroso nabo igo kogwa ase darachaga sensemeri ya makutano mwanchumuliye ikaransa oike elinde ngomanye asenchira iyo bwenye letare ne Fridah Kerubo na sensemo chibyorokerelyo nigo tokubwatenere Joshua Auta ngwira nanda segekeke elinde ngomanye amange Unentere ya moyo kweneki obokoleri obia ase sekta ya ICT umwaziri we sekta yo Elidowalo nigabereka gosiere bene omurobelyo we internet ya busa ase chinsemo chirichia ahero okwana ase chinsemo chirinigo abaga kweneki buna internet yo ne chigokonya abasa bange anene koleta emirimo nabo igo kwemanya amange korwa ase emechandao yekerero.
Internet in all our hospitals. We must have internet in all police stations. We must have internet in all markets. So instead of thinking about adapting polling stations, let us adapt internet hotspots so that we empower our youth so that they are able to leverage on technology to create jobs for themselves. 2 weeks ago, we launched a digital hotspot at Kabete together with His Excellency the President. I was surprised that a young boy who finished Form 4 last year is earning 150,000 6 months down the line per month. Another lady is earning 200,000 based on digital jobs. And we no longer have the white collar jobs that we were used to. Ile kazi ya kunyonga tai na kwenda kukaa kwa ofisi hiyo iliisha siku hizi. Hata ukipata utapata kwa pesa kidogo. Pesa iko kwa mtandao. Pesa iko kwa ile kazi ya kufanya na mkono na kutumia kichwa.
Umubasokano bw'epara nigo oyenekigwa emambia rero imeyomo cyobosongo magega ye basi ya modern coast gosiria oboroso na gutuma Nissan ase basi yo ya gwaroche aniga korekana ase ensemo ya makutano junction ase oyomo abakagusiria obugima bwaye naboigo abande gotigerwa chingoma chintindi ase bamenyokyo gocha senyegitari ya KTRH eliokonyora obugwenya.
Sama leta ni wangoro kuna Evans Onyambo mweri ndo matereba kuru na kuru gocha bosongo na tole ga mafuta to kobeke gari amafuta egari ya rure modern coast ya rure Mombasa na ya ikiriga abantu sa mafuta amasosa gaiga egari eyo ya ikiri abantu na baikiriwe mesigo okolire osiekiro morangu ngosokari egari ya bugatire na bekire gia kosuya egari kigweta rogoro kyagere kigari ngiri kigweta rogora highway egari eri mnaji kotaje break egari yange break egari achaka gocha magega egari yaiteye moya na kuru eyo mongwano itone tokoroka mayoyo nere kereira na magega ya suguma yaje gusugumira ni abantu kete bari ngega egari ya na kunero njaumia kuru ensemo ya magega igo abantu ba minto neri twangate bani na egari na yaira na magega yaumizira abantu ba minto bari ngerocha baumire abantu sitabakire nyagitari oyo monero to siraga iga ne ringo tabana Kisii county ga ndo jene ga bana nebegeta ba chigari chenya gitari buyamono ambulance chiamyo kirege geteke yemo Gavana yaito Simbarati na wakena mbuya mona ndogenderera gase ngenjo na gwabeka buya general ndoje amyoki gachigari gachakonyira abantu baito cyaba minyokiri nyagitari mbondo jana nguru wali gobare no yo mero tosirira gaiga nere utonyora igo abantu baminto egama toroje na mbiyere kyagere gasi yakorire gaiga yamyokiri chigari gaiga tage ambulance cheirira abantu igo kukwana mange tari ngoro ne gari ira na magega na yaso rochari monyeroje korra.
Serikali ya kaunti ya Migori nigo yararire beno ogwatika kuburaire wa Ebola asensemeyo ase baganira bamenye be kaunti yo wetanga nabo igo koba maiso nabo igo anene monoko waka oroboti ase kerobarorire ikimanyerere kyuburaire obwo kolengana no director bo bocheno ime kaunti yo Kennedy Ombogo nigo airabuna nigo berobeire bene ase okolingolia oburaire obwo nabo igo gokora obotuki boisaine
Be responsible to your family, be responsible to yourself, be responsible to the government that you serve. As a healthcare system, we will also, and as a government, will take our responsibility because we have been playing our responsibilities. We have a very robust surveillance system going up to the household level. We have community health strategy as a structure. We have the coordination of both service and community health and surveillance.
Serious, all the discharges from the body of this person are highly infectious, meaning the person can spread the disease, and that is a dangerous person to the general public. Number two, I want to inform the public that even dead bodies of this particular person need to be buried in an organized manner, meaning we have to have specialized people handling that body because the body is highly infectious. And considering that our people, the kind of burials we offer the dead, and in the way we handle the bodies.
Egikaro ase Senate nigo kigendete ase okumurusia abisi omugabana we county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza umuteneri w'abakoli emirimo ime county yo nigo aikirana eliyokwiraneri amabolio aliyo alengete abakoli emirimo na kibabete bakolikwa emirimo ase county yo gwetera enchera etaliendonge.
Came across the accusations touching on illegal appointments and nepotism. Did you take any action as the Chief of Staff?
Yes.
What action did you take specifically in respect to the allegation of the first gentleman of Meru being appointed to a county office? What step did you take?
First, I confirmed that there is no a public office that he was appointed to. And to do that, there is no office, either in my office or office of the governor or anyone under that capacity in the team that I lead in the office of the governor.
So it is your evidence that the first gentleman is not one of the staff?
He is not.
Singa kecho oboigoni goma seneta we county yo Kathuri Muringi abakagwikirana asensemeyo naboigo kogania koegwa amasakara elindo kubwatia amangana alebosio bwegekarekyo asenchera ebwenerete.
If it is humanly possible, can you kindly supply me the documents so that also I'll be able to follow the proceedings. Last night, Honorable Chair, as I conclude, many constituents, my constituents from Meru County, were calling me to ask me, our senator, was that document, he didn't induce it, was it the right one, how was it? I could not even tell, was it blue, was it yellow, was it red? So, Chair, so that I can be able to really represent my people who brought me to this house, kindly allow the secretary to provide me with the documents so that I can also be able to follow the proceedings on both sides. I wish this is on record that I'm here not to support any of the sides, but to hear the issues brought to this house, Honorable House, by the County Assembly of Meru, and the issues which are being also presented here by the county government of Meru.
Wetania ababunge emirongo bere kurwa sorogongo rwa Western wananigo bamuganirie omuraibiense Dr. William Ruto Western nigati na wigo kweneki okungusana na kukogendete kweneki gwa gati yo mukonyi bo muraibiense Rigathi Gachagua no mugavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja gati ababunga bo ngamo no mubunge o Westlands Timothy Wanyonyi Noria Osilisia John Waluke aseba mumochirio mukonyi bo muraibiense askeli bagate abuna nigo achakire obogesaku ase oborai.
We are going to work as a team. We are looking for the unity that disappeared since independence, and I'm sure this caucus is going to bring up our unity. The Western Caucus unit is going to avail itself with this caucus. We are not fighting the government. In fact, this caucus is the one that will approach all the issues with the government, the appointments which you have had.
Every time he's saying, oh, this is now for Kikuyus, this is now ours. Why is he the deputy president? Just in case he has a good friend, he should be reminded that he is not a Kikuyu deputy president. He is supposed to make sure that he throws all eyes across Kenya and makes sure that every tribe in Kenya is inclusive in
Omugavana we county ya Mombasa Abdul Samad Nasir nigabekire emirobeli ya bene asokweneki obulendi asinsemo chiricho kwegokia anenemono asensemo ye beach anigo agocha magiga y'abantu babere gosiria obugima bwabo ase e beach area ya Pirates ogokwana ase Chinsa nigo ayenekibuna kera obwato mbochikotuara omontoli obwate obumanyi naboigo kweneki obulendi wekerengo kigoro mono anenemo na wachinga kiechiga chio kwegokia.
Nimefanya mpangilio kutakuwa na boat 7 za patrol that will be moving around area hii ambapo kwamba ndio the most frequented area. Kutakuwa na boat 4 kisha baada hapo katika island pia kutakuwa na boats, na from there the Likoni side ambapo kwamba watu wanajivinjari katika maeneo ya Shelly Beach na sehemu ya Jomvu pande za Mkupe, all areas ambapo kwamba ni recreational areas katika wakati huu, na I'm glad that some of the boats are already here and ajali utokea, lakini we need to be prepared.
Tumekuja kuogelea, tumefurahia na familia zetu wote, maana lasia tungeweza kufika, lakini siku ya leo kwa ajili ya Mwenyezi Mungu na uhai wetu ametujalia uhai mpaka tuko hapa na familia.
Abamenyi be county ya Lamu niko bagendete komenya no boba magayo bosaga niko kolekana ase Chinsa gokwana niko babulire serikali gwesona negati nabayigo gokora okungusana na kwabere gokwenekigwa ase Chinsa ase abantu babeire bakomana igoro yendemero.
Sisi wa mama tumehangaika na watoto. Usiku tunatoroka. Tunafahamiwa wakati tunalala. Niambie mama, ukiwa na watoto utaenda vipi? Unaangalia mume wako wakati anawekwa chini anachinjwa. Uambiwe uangalie bwanako vyenye anaenda. Hebu angalia, hiyo ni huzuni kiasi gani? Sisi tunaomba kama akina mama. Tunaomba mpaka ninatoa machozi kwa sababu sisi wa mama tunahangaika. Tafadhali kilio kivike mwisho. Tumechoka.
Tutaki watu porojo waanze kusema hii ni Al-Shabaab. Hao wanaosema ni Al-Shabaab wanawajua hao Al-Shabaab. Hii ni uhalifu. Labda unahusiana na mambo ya ardhi. Na hii
ardhi inapiganiwa sana. Na sisi tumeletwa huku kwa sababu ya hii ardhi. Ardhi inasemekana ni ya mwenyewe na yule mwenyewe hatumjui.
Mmesikia governor akisema kwamba hili tatizo litakuja kumalizika tukitatua yale
Mwanzo murigereria korwa sorobo tioro nigo naikire omoelio ba mangana maya asebire biga kolende ngo sabato basa guskato basa kanyagara gikoraga ensa eyemo ayona mange no nyara senchira iyo bwikira nubuno koletero nere Vincent Onyancha kolende inyora asinsemo chiche mitandao asinsemo ya Facebook na bagotanyara gwitra Ndizi TV News Digital na bega asinsemo ya YouTube na bagotanyara gwitra Ndizi TV News asinsemo ya website na bagotanyara gwitra www.ndizitv.or.ke Magach kamera soko ne kibina ebicha na boigo eliogiria gwikira sora senchira ya bene nere Abigail Nyancha matobe tokubwata nere Joshua Auta asensemo chibiorokelio na inseria ne Fridah Kerubo ngokuganilia obuligerelia obia